friends, today we're going to make some coconut chocolate chip cookies, and I thought that would be a great thing. Everybody loves cookies. Cookies are such wonderful comfort food, and I have heard tell that the stores are not very stocked with flour. Some of my friends haven't been able to get any at all, as a matter of fact. So these cookies require no flour at all. You're going to start with 1 1/4 cups of shredded coconut. My coconut is unsweetened, but if you only have sweetened coconut at your house, maybe cut back on the sugar a little bit in our recipe. Then it doesn't matter in what order, I'm just grabbing what's next to me closest. I've got 1/4 cup of melted butter, and you can also use a different oil of choice if that does not work for you. Maybe coconut oil, maybe avocado oil, maybe you like canola oil, I don't know. 1/3 cup of sugar. That is just white granulated, not my preference, but that's what was available. We're going to put in 1 egg. Oops, you don't want the shell in there. 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, and then you're just going to stir that up. Oh, so easy. And this will make 12 cookies. And if you want to make more than 12, maybe you have a large family, you can double the recipe. And then after that is good and mixed, see, everything's all mixed together well. I'm just going to dump in the chocolate chips, and that was 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. And stir it in. And then we're just going to plop them on a parchment covered baking tray, or you could use a Silpat mat if you have one of those. And just about a tablespoon or so of cookie dough on the cookie tray and line it up. And they're going to go in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. So I'll finish this up while you guys take a break, and then we'll come back to the cookies in just a few minutes. So I've filled my cookie tray up with the dollops of cookie dough. There's about a tablespoon each. We've got 12 cookies, and I'm just going to plop it in the oven for 15 minutes. A preheated 350-degree oven. Hello friends, so our cookies are ready to come out of the oven. Depending on your oven and the pan you're using, they may take a little less than 15 minutes. This batch in the oven here, using the library oven, they did only cook 12. At home, I would probably go 15. My oven runs a little low. But let's pop them out. And I'm going to give one to this kind gentleman here, Glenn. He is here testing our smoke alarms and our fire safety equipment, and he's going to test them and give you an unbiased opinion.
Best part, they're crunchy. Delicious.
Enjoy making cookies.